Hey ladies and gents, Lucky here. So, Tyler is still sleeping. I got the Akibento box this morning. I decided to wake up before I made the video. Still a little bit tired. You might hear my cat meowing in the background because I don't trust her right now. She's a little shit. Tyler just won't be in this one. He's really tired, so I'll let him sleep. So yeah, I'll operate a sharp object on my own. Alright, so oh, sick. There's a pin in there, I think. But yeah, I got the Naruto pot. Well, that's it. First I got Luffy, and now I got Naruto. What's next? I'm getting Goku. Ooh, high school zombie zipper pull. That's cool. So this team was Courage. So I believe it had High School of the Dead and just a bunch of other shit. So it had Railgun, a Railgun sticker. It's a certain scientific railgun. Yeah. But because this is low, I'll show it to you guys a little bit better. I haven't seen it yet, but this is the little sticker that I got. I got a toooooo, I guess, keychain accessory. I got a, of course, the ultimate weeaboo pack. You gotta have the ultimate weeaboo pack. Oh, wait. Are you telling me I can make it into whatever I want? Oh, well, that's kind of cool. Ninja headband. So I guess I can just use like a erasable marker and just write shit on there. That's cool. And of course, the shirt. Oh, of course. That's a good one. Midoriya versus Anemu. To be honest, except for all this, so of course the team this month was Courage. So we got the monthly pin. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed. I was expecting a little bit more zombie team related. Because it said that it was supposed to be alright, so it was supposed to be a mystery item. So I got this one. So you could get a mystery item from High School of the Dead, Trinity 7, or toooooo, and I got this. Was the toooooo item that I got. Alright, so yeah, you could get a certain scientific railgun sticker, Akibento exclusive zipper pull, a exclusive ninja headband, one mystery item from High School of the Dead, Trinity 7, a toooooo, one of 3 Naruto My Hero Academia Funko Pop. You could have got Deku in training. You could have had Naruto and Shoto Aizawa. And then of course the Akibento courage pin. So yeah. And of course the shirt, as always. I was kind of expecting a little bit more for the pin, but I guess like I wanted a little bit more for the what's it called, High School of the Dead stuff. I was looking forward to it, but unfortunately I don't get much more than that, so. Well, you're awake. Shut up, Yuki. Shut up. Nobody asked you. Shut up. Don't talk. Azazel, don't encourage her. God damn it. These childs never listen. Alright. See you, everybody. Bye.